Delta Connect is a technology-enabled care service provision where we're looking at being proactive and preventative in our approach. And albeit that there's a technology link there, the key for us is about the enhanced wraparound service provision that we provide.
Connect offers people the opportunity to remain independent and safe within their own homes, but with a technology-enabled care package to support. So the partnership element of that then comes in with the local authority, the Health Board and Welsh Ambulance Service working together, because if somebody does fall over and they do need some level of medical support or social care support, you've got a full multidisciplinary team that works alongside Delta, co-located within a building in Llanelli, that are able to support them with that response to, again, aim to keep people out of that emergency service pathway.
I think having the Delta Connect service gives patients such a reassurance that they've only got to press a button and there'll be somebody there at the end of the line. And that person can advise, reassure, or actually go out and visually see the patient, check them over, lift them, check they're all okay. And if they've got a medical problem or concern, they contact us directly, and we can either just give advice or reassurance or actually go out and see the patient. So they haven't got to be transported to the emergency department and go through all of that when it's not necessary. I think the Delta Connect responders are just so can-do in their attitude. They're really supportive and helpful and willing to go the extra mile for their patients and for us.